So I picked up this set of wheels the other day. I got a really good deal on them. I only got them for 190 bucks at the junkyard. I didn't look at it at the time, but these have a really nice offset. They're ET20, so I tried test fitting them the other day, and it was rubbing over on the driver's side. So today what we're going to do, we're going to work on getting out that fender well lining and stuff, and then we're going to probably have to roll the fenders a little bit. First things first, though, we're going to give these things a quick little wash. Give me this. Boom, they're clean for the most part. I didn't really feel like getting like a deep clean right now because we have limited daylight. But now let's get this car up in the air and let's try and get these fender well liners out. All right, now that we got the wheel off, you can kind of see where the wheel was rubbing yesterday. So when I would turn the wheel, it would hit this side of the fender well. And then I also noticed back here, I guess I've been rubbing really bad back here. I mean, it seems like it's done pretty much all the damage it's gonna do, so I'm probably just gonna leave that part. Boom. Easy. And just like that, the liner's out, and we have a ton more space. Now I've just got to figure out how to use this fender roller. I'm pretty sure we just have to like mount this on here, and then it rolls it. I think we'll have to do a little bit of experimenting. You know, I'm honestly not sure if you need all 5 in, but I'm gonna just do it just to be safe. Oh, we're really running out of daylight. I gotta go quick. I don't even know if this is gonna work, to be honest. I think the wheel should fit fine on the other side. It's literally just because this side's crunched in that I think it's hitting. So hopefully we won't even have to do this on the other side, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh, that's working. Oh yeah, you can see it. See it working. See? It's making some weird ass lines, but this car had weird ass lines up here to begin with, so I don't even care. We're just rolling the fuck out of this thing. You know what? Not bad, I don't think. Oh yeah, doesn't that just look great, babe? You want me to do this to your car next? There's so many people probably screaming at me right now, just screaming at the screens watching this video. You dumbass, that's not how you're supposed to use it! Oh yeah, cracking all the paint, bro. I think that might be sufficient. Let's get this bitch off. I'll try and fit this wheel on. Oh shit! Yo! Look at this. Oh. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's so good. It's close, isn't it? Fuck yeah. Oh, that's so good. It's so good. Sick. Now that we got these on, we're just gonna go do the other side. All right, we got both the fronts on, and these things are fitting so well. I only had to do like a little mild fender roll on this side. This side was a bit worse. Had to do a pretty aggressive fender roll on this side, but my God, that is looking so much better. The car doesn't look like a spaceship up front anymore, and I love it. That's probably all we're gonna be able to get done today, though, because we're starting to run out of sunlight and garage space is a little limited at the moment. So tomorrow, what we're gonna do, we're gonna be switching out my springs in the rear, and then we're also gonna be fitting up the other wheels and seeing how everything fits. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're not cutting the springs. No, I'm not ready to cut springs. All right, we're back at the garage. We're working on the rear end now, so I've made a little bit of a change of plans. Originally, I was gonna be taking Gabe's old Godspeed springs off of him and switching those out for these, or switching these ones out for those. But I decided now I'm just gonna take out the top collar and the bottom collar and just see if I can get it low enough that way. From what I've heard online, it shouldn't be too much of an issue, and I figure with how much preload the car already has, it's not like the springs are gonna like flop around or do anything crazy like that. Oh yeah, and along with that, I plan on doing an alignment at school tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to grind down the little mounting brackets that we had for the rear trailing arm, because like the globs that we did for the plug welds, they're just getting in the way, so we can't adjust the rear toe. So yeah, we're gonna grind that down, switch out the spring, and then we're gonna put on the new wheels on the rear and see how they fit. Hey, I got myself a cute little toolkit. Ain't that cute?
How much?
It was like 49 bucks at Home Depot, bro.
Amazon's cheaper.
Oh my God, eat a dick.
Because I was complicated by something.
No, see, but I needed these for when I went to the fucking junkyard the other day. Because I just don't have any tools in my house anymore. Because they're either at school or, like, there's just random shit here. I was talking to Kaylee before I came over here. I was like, this should be a fairly easy process. The one thing that I was scared about is the fucking shock bolt. I know, the threads are coming out.
No, Jack.
Huh? Fuck.
Oh.
Woo! I was just on autopilot. You know how terrifying that would have been?
Oh.
I was wondering why I was being such a bitch coming out. Woo, there we go. Oh, shit.
What, Jay?
Ooh.
Did the threads come out?
The threads came out a little bit, and they got, like, bent to poop. We might be able to make it work still. We might be able to make it work.
No.
Now that is why you should put thread locker on your helicoils. Oh, damn it. Oh. All right, crisis averted. New threads are in with Loctite this time. Sack. As you can see, these little globby ass plug welds are holding us up from being able to slide this trailing arm around to be able to get the toe adjustment right. So I'm just gonna grind down each of these, then I'm probably gonna go over with some black spray paint just to prevent some rusting, and then we'll move on to the other side. I'm really hoping I'll be able to fit a grinder up here. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think this is the only one I really had to grind down. I don't know. Well, I'll look at the other side after this. Boom, all right. Now I think we're good. Damn, so here's the other side. That's the only weld that is hitting. I was right. But, well, now I know for this side. Only need to grind down that one. You know, sometimes I just overthink things. Sometimes you just gotta take a step back, take a look at the situation, you know? Oh, jeez. Now that we have that done on this side, though, we can move on to the spring. Right. There we go. Damn. That is sick. So, from what I understand, I should be totally fine to just that. I don't know. Well, I honestly feel like this could cause issues, like with it like shifting around, but do I trust the people on the internet? Do I trust the people from the forums? Ah, fuck it, let's send it. So I guess before we can figure out how that's gonna fit, I'm gonna have to come over here and do this side. So I'll be right back. Bro, it's been like 5 minutes. When they said this shit dries fast, like, oh geez, yeah, this shit dries fast. I'm telling y'all, use this shit for your spray painting needs. This stuff is so nice. Rust-Oleum, you doing shit right.
What are you trying to do? I'm confused.
I'm just trying to get my body in a good position. I need to get this trailing arm back up here. Oh, shit falling in my ass. Ah. Oh, meanwhile I have fucking safety glasses on. It's not my night, bro. Not my night. We minty. Oh yeah. Paying absolutely no attention to fucking the toe. Bro, there's so much toe in right now. Yeah, we're getting to alignment tomorrow. That's fine. Fuck.
Yes, man. He's a mess.
You know, I've actually been having a lot of fun uploading on TikTok. By the way, in case you guys didn't know, I have a TikTok. Dram GIFs on TikTok. Go check that out. TikTok. Yeah. It's like the XXX version of TikTok, but for men only.
Sign me.
Alright, bet. Off to the other side. Alright, everything's all torqued up. Now, it's time to slap on these bad boys. Like a NASCAR pit crew, bro. All right, everything's on and torqued down. Let's get these jack stands up. I'm kind of scared the fender's just gonna crunch.
Happen.
All right, you want to lower it? You do the honors. Slowly, please.
Also, tell him speed.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, yeah, deal with it.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh. Oh. Oh, bro. You know, it's actually not bad. Oh, yeah, actually. I think it's on the tire. Wait.
I know that sound.
Oh, yeah. Shit, does that mean we have to roll these bitches real quick?
I would just run your old ones.
Huh? Just put these back on?
Yeah.
That might be the move. God, that's sad.
Because if you want to actually get into that, you have to release the shock.
Wait, how's the other side look? Oh, yeah. This side is just as bad. I guess I have to go back to the old wheels. For now, at least. All right, old wheels are back on. Let's see how much lower it got. Because we did take out those retainers. Oh, you know, it's a bit lower, actually. There's actually some tire tug. That's cool. Kind of an anticlimactic end to the video. I don't even know what else I wanted to say for this outro. What's the next video gonna be? I don't even know if it's gonna be getting these wheels on. I think next video is gonna be the next drift event, which is this Saturday.
Roll fenders.
Roll fenders?
How to roll them.
Bet. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do a how to roll fenders video, as if like 1,000 other people haven't made videos like that already. Well, it's okay though. We'll make it ours. We'll make it our video. It's gonna be good. You're gonna love it. Just believe me. Just subscribe and click the like button. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.